Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips. Lose 5 kilograms in a month with 1 cup of weight loss smoothie, lemon, mango and yogurt. Drink on an empty stomach. Mangoes provide significant amounts of folate and vitamins A, B6 and C, making them a nutritious fruit choice. Although they aren't a weight loss miracle food, eating more of these and other fruits may help you reach your weight loss goals a little sooner because of their high fiber content and low energy density. Replacing some of the less healthy foods you eat with fruit, such as mangoes, may help you lose weight. Today we will show you how to make a smoothie from mango and yogurt for weight loss. Ingredients you need to prepare: the first is the ripe mango fruit. The second is a box of sugar-free yogurt. The third is half a lemon. Here are 3 ingredients you need to prepare from this stuff. Proceed as follows. First, if you rinse mango with water, use a clean knife to peel the fruit of the mango. And you cut mangoes into thin pieces. After mango has finished, you take half a lemon and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Put the finely chopped mango in the blender. Next, add 1/3 of the yogurt box to the machine. Finally, the lemon juice bowl put into the machine. You bring puree, and this is a mango smoothie I have pureed. Now you just pour out the cup and enjoy. You can also add ice for a better taste. Mangoes enable weight loss because they contain phytochemicals that inhibit fat cells from expanding their walls, which discourages weight gain and rebound weight gain after weight loss. One whole mango contains 3 grams of fiber and can assist with the elimination of matter from the intestinal walls, thus helping with the detoxification process. Mangoes contain natural probiotics that promote a smart gut, improve your mood and help shrink abdominal fat. The high levels of pectin mango help lower cholesterol and detoxify the bowels, which helps prevent weight gain. Just 1 cup of mango contains 75 of the vitamin C you will need for the day, which keeps inflammation from obesity-causing diseases like diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis down. Mangoes are rich in B6 and the other B vitamins that help keep the pituitary and thyroid glands in good working order. Mangoes are high in potassium, which helps reduce belly bloat. The high magnesium content in the fruit keeps muscles and the nervous system relaxed. Mangoes are a very calorie-filling food, and they can be eaten as a substitute for a meal to achieve weight loss goals. Save calories and support weight loss by using yogurt instead of fat, creamy salad dressings or vegetable dips. Have no sugar-added flavored yogurt as a sweet alternative to a calorie dessert such as ice cream, candy or baked goods. For a snack, a container of yogurt makes a convenient, portion-controlled option that promotes weight loss better than a multi-serving bag of potato chips or crackers. Add some fruit or whole grain cereal to your yogurt for a calorie-controlled breakfast. To avoid slowing down your weight loss because of empty calories from added sugars, choose plain yogurt and add spices if you are eating it as a dip, or fruit, if you prefer it to be sweeter. Another low-calorie option is yogurt with a non-nutritive sweetener. Yogurt is best for weight loss when you eat it on its own, or with low-calorie, nutritious foods. Actively drinking mango juice and yogurt both have the effect of slimming and whiten the skin, smooth white skin. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck! If you find your video useful, like it and share it with friends. Don't forget to press the subscribe channel and notification bell to update your weight loss tips every day.